Hello friends, welcome to the channel Travel, History and Mystery. This video is dedicated for yoga. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't done yet. The first International Day of Yoga was observed around the world on 21st June 2015. This was declared as the International Day of Yoga by United Nations General Assembly on December 11, 2014. Yoga is basically a physical, mental and spiritual practice which aids in shifting gears of body and the mind into the positive direction. Yoga is a discipline that focuses on precise science on achieving harmony between an individual's mind and body. Yoga first referred in the oldest sacred text, the Rig Veda, and is derived from the Sanskrit root yug, which means join or unite. According to yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga leads an individual to the union of consciousness with that of universal consciousness. It eventually leads to a great harmony between human mind, body, and nature. According to Hindu mythology, Shiva is considered the supreme lord of yoga. The practice of yoga was started in India over more than 5,000 years ago. It was first mentioned in Rig Veda. Maharshi Patanjali is a saint who is believed to have lived sometime during 2nd century BC. He is known for his treatise on yoga entitled Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Yoga was slowly developed by monks or rishis who eventually documented their practices and beliefs in the Upanishads that has over 200 scriptures. During the Vedic times, Vedic priests or rishis were generally self-disciplined and avoided any form of indulgence instead. They performed sacrifices which were known as yagna and used different poses that most researchers believe that are precursor of the kind of yoga poses we use today in the modern world. The spread of yoga in 3rd century BC, the word yoga became common in other religions like Jain and Buddhist writings. In Mahayana Buddhism, the practice of yoga for both spiritual and meditative use was known as Yogacara, which consisted of 8 significant steps of meditation called insight. In 5th century, yoga was meant for meditation and religious use, but not as a form of workout. At around the same time, the concept became even more established among the Jains and Buddhists and Hindus. The first version of yoga were meant for spiritual practices and revolved around several core values. The first core value analyzed an individual perception and cognitive state while understanding the cause of suffering and eventually using meditation to solve the issue. The second core value focused on boosting consciousness, and the third was uses as way of achieving transcendence. The fourth value was full of mystery because it used yoga to penetrate into the other people's body and act supernaturally. Yoga later became widely valued because of the Indian nationalist movement as the way of building up pride and cultural identity. Today, yoga is practiced worldwide by millions of people in many forms and variations. Many enthusiasts travel to India to explore the world of yoga and meditation. Do you know there are 84 classic yoga asanas? Swami Vivekananda is credited for being the greatest proponent of yoga in the world wide west. Paramhans Yogananda was an Indian yogi who taught Kriya Yoga to millions around the world. BKS Iyengar, Baba Ramdev, was considered to be the foremost of the modern yoga teachers in the world. Ancient yogis believed that we only have limited number of breaths in each life. Hence, it makes sense to stretch our life out a bit longer and take slow and deep breath. Modern yoga has evolved with the focus on exercise, strength, flexibility, and breathing. It can help boost physical and mental well-being. There are many styles of yoga, and no style is more authentic or superior to another. The key is to choose a class appropriate for your fitness level. Yoga takes you into the present moment, the only place where life exists. Bhagavad Gita says, Yoga is the journey of self, through the self, to the self.